Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to Engli.com. In the series of how to improve your grammar, today we are going to discuss 8th part of speech, and that is article. Article is considered as the type of adjective, as I've told you in my previous video. Let's see its definition first. A word that modifies a noun. And we have the same definition for adjective. Adjective is a part of speech that is used to modify a noun or a verb. Let's see how many types of articles are there. So there are two types of article: definite, that is the, and indefinite, a and an. Let's see when we use definite article. It is used when there is something specific. For example, you are talking about your own school, so you could say the school where I study, the cinema where I usually go, or I have recently visited, the people of Pakistan. Indefinite article, a and an, it indicates that its noun is not particular. It means that the noun which has been used after this article, indefinite article, that is not particular. For example, an airplane, an egg, a cow, a ship. Generally speaking, it is not specific. For example, there is an airplane, there was a cow, I usually eat an egg in my breakfast. So all these examples show us that these articles are indefinite, which are showing the ordinary things, ordinary nouns. They are not particular, they are not specific. So I am going to give you an exercise which you have to solve in the comment box. Dash umbrella, dash university, dash educational institution, dash hour, dash European. This is the first part of article. In my next video, I would give you a more detailed view of these articles. Hope you would practice it. Thank you very much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.